Hello friends, welcome back to DG Investor. Today we'll talk about the Phantom FX or the Phantom Digital Effects IPO. This is a SME IPO of 29 crore rupees, and here the company is allotting shares at 95 rupees at the top end and the lot size is 1200. So you need a minimum investment of 1,14,000 per lot to apply in this IPO. Talking about the company background, so company is a VFX studio. So they do this visual effects for the films, and they have worked for notable names in Hollywood, Bollywood, and the southern film industry. And apart from that, they are working for movie processing, then the 3D effects, because we know many movies are getting released into 3D these days. So yes, they are into a niche segment, which is a growing segment. And as we see today, the VFX component into the movies is like on a growing scale only. Talking about this 29 crores which they are raising from the public, out of that 25 crores will go to the company for business expansion, and 4 crore rupees will go to the selling shareholder, which is a co-promoter into the company. They are selling their personal holding and they will get those 4 crores. And out of that 25 crores, company plans to use 17 crores for the studio setup. And out of that, biggest one is the Chennai studio, which they are setting up at the cost of 11 crore rupees. And apart from that, 2 crores each are allocated for a studio in Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Cochin. And they have selected these locations because here the VFX talent pool is available, since this VFX processing and all is a technology thing, and like it's done with computers, so they need skilled manpowers according to this. Now coming to the profit and loss and the financials of the company. So in last 3 years, only for the last year, they have done some good work. Like they did a turnover of 22 crores and generated a profit of 4 crores. And if you see the preceding 2 years before this year, it was a meager profit of around just 10 to 15 lakh rupees, which was very less. So there is a sudden boost into the profits, which makes it a little fishy. But this is a growing segment and the movies are coming, so they might be having some good contracts that time. And if you see the last quarter, the June 22 quarter, which they did, so they did a turnover of 12 crore rupees and generated a profit of around 4 crore rupees. So all the profit has been much closer to this IPO date only, recent profit. So expensive valuations, if you consider the market cap at the top end of 95 rupees per share, it will be around 110 crores. So that makes it a expensive bet given the poor financials till date, if you leave apart the last year. But yes, this is a niche segment, growing segment. So if you have a mid to long term, definitely you can consider, because the promoter Mr. Bejoy Arputharaj is a well-known face in the southern film industry, and he has delivered some very good movies. So that works into the company's favor. Plus the new studios which are coming up, the 4 studios, sooner or later they will start contributing to the top line and bottom line. So mid to long term view, I think yes, they should be doing good. If you're just looking for the listing gains, so here the parameter is the gray market premium. So gray market premium has started and it is quoting around 27,000 or 28,000 per lot currently. So if you're looking for the listing gains, you can subscribe for this. So what I'll be doing is I'll be waiting for the QIB figures and the anchor investors. So they have a anchor investor portion as well in their QIB book. So I'll wait for that and I'll publish more information on that. For now, you can consider the people with a slight risk capacity, they can consider applying for this IPO, since market will be interested as it is a niche business and there are not many companies listed into the VFX domain. So listing gain wise, you should get a nominal listing gain, but yeah, mid to long term, I think they can really create good wealth if they have good projects in hand and their new studios are like up to a good quality. So let's wait for more information on this. I hope you like this information. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.